You're welcome in your maths, and I got a new
Here
problem.
it is a right angle triangle with perpendicular 3 units, base 1 units, and this is the center of the bigger circle and this is the center of the smaller one.
And now we have to find the radius of the smaller one. And for calculating this, we draw the perpendicular line to the chord. And we know that perpendicular line to the chord bisect the chord. So this will be 0.5 unit and this will also 0.5 unit.
Similarly, we can draw another perpendicular line from that center to the perpendicular one, and this also bisect the chord and it will be also 1.5 units. Now from here we can draw another perpendicular line as radius and tangent perpendicular at point of contact. Similarly, we can join another line from that center to the tangent and this will also perpendicular to each other, and you can see here it's a right angle triangle and this length will be equal to this length as these are parallel lines. And now this length will be what? This is the r, that is a small r, the radius of the smaller circle, and this length will be 1.5 units as this is a rectangle, and we can simply join this perpendicular line and this length will become r minus 1.5 units as this length. Okay, now for calculating this length, what we can do is we can subtract bigger radius of the bigger circle minus smaller radius of the smaller circle, and this will become r minus r. Now for calculating the r, we know that this is the circumcenter of the right angle triangle and these lengths are equal, and circumradius is equal to c by 2, where c is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, and this is 3, this is 1, so we can calculate the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem, that is 3 square plus 1 square is equal to h square, and from here we get the hypotenuse is equal to root 10. We can simply put root 10 here, so we get the length of circumradius is equal to root 10 by 2, or we can say the radius of the bigger one, so this will be root 10 by 2 minus r. And now we have calculated the length of this and this, and now we have to find the length of this. So for calculating it, we simply see that this length is what? Smaller, and from here to here this length is what? 0.5 units as this is a rectangle. Okay, now from here to here this is 0.5, here to here this is r, so this length will be r minus 0.5 unit, and we have calculated the length of all three sides and it is a right angle triangle, so we can simply apply Pythagoras theorem here. Now simply we know that hypotenuse square, that is 10 by 2 minus r the whole square, is equal to perpendicular square, that is r minus 1.5 the whole square, plus base square, that is r minus 0.5 the whole square. Now simply calculate these values, so I will do this for you. So here this is the value of a minus b the whole square, that is 10 by 4 plus r square minus 2ab, and that's gonna be minus root 10 r is equal to r square plus b square, that is 2.25 minus 2ab, that is 3r, plus here this is r square plus b square, that is 0.25 minus 2ab, that is r. Now we can cut r square from both sides, and now I'll fast up the video for remaining calculations. Now we get the equation 0 is equal to 2r square minus 8r plus 2 root 10r. Okay, so we divide the equation by 4 and it will looks like r square minus 4r plus root 10r. Now simply we can take common as r, bracket 4 minus root 10 bracket close, and now we can send this term to the LHS, so it will become positive r bracket 4 minus root 10 is equal to r square. We can cut r from both sides and we got
r is equal to 4 minus root 10. Hopefully you get it, so don't forget to like and subscribe.